For our project, we decided to test if the wording of questions in a survey affects bias on responses. So in our experiment, we had two questions. One asking people if they were willing to answer a few questions for our survey, and the other that asked people if they were willing to answer a quick question for our survey. And our hypothesis showed that more people would say no when we asked them if they would answer a few questions for our survey compared to if they would answer a quick question for our survey.
Our data was collected through a simple random sample of 40 customers at our local Walmart. We improved our randomization by asking customers in various locations around the store, but we made sure to alternate questions we asked customers so that location of the store did not influence responses. When choosing the random subjects, we avoided people in a rush on the phone or in groups to reduce the variability of subjects. We also both asked each question an equal number of times to make sure that the characteristics of the interviewer did not influence the responses in any way.
So our data showed that regardless of the question that we asked, people were more likely to say yes. So when we asked them if they would answer a few questions, 70% of people said yes. And when we asked them if they were willing to answer a quick question, 60% of people responded yes. So that basically showed that our results went against our hypothesis because we assumed that answering a quick question would be far more enticing than answering a few questions.
Based on the data collected, the changing of the wording of the question did not create any response bias. We believe that this could be caused by the difference of the wording not being drastic enough. The differences in responses was most likely caused by people's willingness to participate in a survey regardless of the length. They could have also been affected by the fact that we went to Walmart on a Saturday morning, which is giving us a specific demographic of people at that time. A slight difference may have been achieved if we asked with a very large sample size, but at such a small sample size, the difference could not be seen. We also believe people may be more willing to participate in a larger survey because they believe they could be doing something more important or something on a larger scale, but we think that is highly unlikely. Thank you for your time.
Thank you guys.